All right, time now for better food. Today we're talking about a different take on a salad.
This one has zucchini and feta. Lauren Siegel is here for a La Piastra with the how-to.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of zucchini unless it's diced up like this and it looks very good.
All right, are you sure you're going to try it? Though, right?
Definitely going to try this. Because this is, I had zucchini last night.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, I can do this.
Was it grilled? Was it sauteed?
It was grilled.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's typically the way people enjoy it during the summer. And the reason, and you mentioned it being a small dice, I prefer zucchini to be small dice because you don't want to really take on too much of the flavor in the bite.
And you don't even peel it.
No.
Okay.
No.
Just goes right in there.
It's just a quick, easy summer salad to make. You don't have to really fuss much with it. You don't have to turn on the oven or the stovetop. You just make it and you can grill steak, chicken, fish on the side and have it with it. So it's super simple. So we're starting with 1 zucchini. Now, depending on how many people you're going to feed, this is easily going to feed about 3 to 4 people. It's probably going to yield about a pound altogether when we're finished.
Wow, okay.
So 1 zucchini, that's all this is, and it's a small dice. And then we're going to take about a half a cup here. And Scott, you're going to be doing my stirring for me.
Okay.
So we're going to take a half a cup of feta cheese.
Do you ever get feta up with cheese?
I'm feta up.
Uh-oh, here he
got
goes.
about a half a cup of corn.
There's a kernel of truth to this.
You're on fire. Fire.
It is.
Go ahead.
About 10 diced grape tomatoes.
You say tomato, I say tomato.
We have garlic oil, and what we do at the shop is we have roasted garlic or fresh chopped garlic, and you can put it in olive oil, but you're going to need to refrigerate it because you don't want it to go rancid. But you can prepare this ahead of time. Isn't it so pretty?
It's appetizing, you know, as well as I'm sure delicious.
I think my kids might even eat that.
And it's not too heavy on the garlic, especially if you use roasted garlic. It's much easier. You can chop up garlic, put it on the stovetop with a little extra virgin olive oil, and then let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Turn the oil off, and that's where you'll get your garlic oil. You can keep it for a week or so in the refrigerator, but just make it in advance. It makes it much easier.
Okay. Smells
This
good.
is about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar.
Yum.
A tablespoon of lemon juice.
Okay.
You're going to do some chopped parsley. Now, you can use cilantro if you want to. You can use, you know,
that's a
yeah.
idea.
I actually have, if you use cilantro, add avocado to this. It's delicious. It's really good. So, and a little bit more regular olive oil to make sure you've got enough liquid in there. And for balancing out the flavors, you're going to do a little bit of salt. This is just kosher salt. It's about a tablespoon, and then about a half a teaspoon, excuse me, of black pepper. I can't speak today. So it's absolutely nice and delicious and refreshing.
Well, and it looks so good. Tell us a little bit about your place. So, because I'm obviously interested as someone who's not a very good cook.
I heard.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can help. We can help.
Yes, I do. I need help. I do. So if we go to your place, tell me what we can, your offerings.
Yes, we have fully cooked meals. You want to spoon that
Absolutely.
out? Fully cooked meals prepared, ready to go. All you have to do is just simply reheat them. So they're all packaged in foil containers. We have single serve, we have meals to serve families, and we have meals to serve 2 people. We have the sides, the salads, the soups, the sauces, the dressings, the ravioli, and we also do catering. So,
Which is wonderful.
What about Easter? When do we have to order?
we have to have our Easter orders in, Scott, by Monday. Monday.
By Monday?
By Monday.
So a week from today, April 15th.
Yep. And we can do the whole shebang for you, or if you just want to have the ham or the scalloped potatoes, we can do that for you. We can do the whole thing.
And if I have a dinner for 5, you'll accommodate. Dinner for 15, you'll accommodate.
For you.
Well,
For
not
you.
me. You're looking, although I certainly could use your help.
Yes, well, I can certainly help you.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
That's wonderful. And you're in Rocky Hill and Glastonbury.
Yes, we have 2 locations, and it's fully cooked foods ready to go, and catering. You can go online and check out our menus. And our, isn't that nice?
That is
Isn't that
good.
nice?
That is
And our
delicious.
Easter
That is
menu.
good.
And it's healthy. Because our dietitian is coming up a little bit later on in the show. And he's going to be watching everything I ate.
Very good.
All right,
Yes,
again, if you're having
wonderful.
company for Easter or you need to bring food to wherever you're headed, Lauren can make things really easy on you. She's taking Easter orders through next Monday. Head to our website to see the menus. It's lapiastra.com or call 860-757-3052. She has locations, as Polly just mentioned, in Rocky Hill and in Glastonbury.